What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sell players in Football Manager 26. If you're looking to sell one of your players, the process is pretty simple. From the main menu, head over to Squad. This is where you'll see your full first team, plus anyone who's injured or out on loan. Choose the player you want to sell and open actions. If you want, you can quickly check their performances before making the decision. Next, go to Transfer and select Set Transfer Status. Set them as transfer listed and confirm. Once you do that, the player is officially up for sale. If selling isn't the best option, you can also choose to send them out on loan instead. From the same area, you can ask the agent about market interest, let your staff handle the sale, or deal with offers yourself through the transfer room. When offers come in, they'll appear in your messages where you can negotiate the fee, wages and any clauses like sell on percentages. Just keep in mind that injured players or players in bad form usually get lower offers, so sometimes waiting or loaning them out makes more sense. That's the basic way to sell players in FM26. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.